Hey beautiful people, it's Huda from Wishful. I'm really excited to reveal this product with you guys here today, and I cannot wait for you guys to try this. I know it's going to transform your skin so much. So I'm about to introduce, I can't believe I'm introducing this to you guys. This is the Get Even Rose Oil. So let's talk about the ingredients. So this is actually made up of 15 different oils. We wanted to put ingredients that actually work. One of the main things that it has is Rose Damascena oil. So one of the things that this oil does is it soothes your skin, it locks in moisture, and it also helps to clear your complexion. It also has rosehip oil, one of my favorite oils in the entire world, and that actually helps to remove dark spots, remove any type of imperfections, any type of marks that are on your face. It also has baobab seed oil. It is rich in omega-3 and 6 fatty acids. So this makes sure that your skin is really nourished and also helps rejuvenate your complexion. So we also have carrot seed oil, which is really important to moisturize your skin, to tighten your skin, has beta carotene. These things are so important to help make up very strong skin. It also has jojoba oil, which actually helps keep your skin calmed and soothed. It also has raspberry seed oil, which is actually really great as an antioxidant, anti-aging factor. What it does is it really does help with fine lines and really helps to kind of just like soothe any areas that that need a little boost. And we have some amazing claims. We had an independent panel of people with all different skin types, all different skin concerns, all different sexes, trying this product, and we asked them to try it morning and night. 95% of people agreed immediately after use, their skin felt more moisturized. 98% of people agree their skin felt softer immediately after using it. 94% of people agree their skin looked brighter and more luminous after 28 days of use. 90% of men actually agreed that after using this, that shaving was a lot less irritating and a lot easier because of the Get Even Rose Oil. So basically what I do then is I actually just apply a few drops. You don't need that much. Like when you press down completely, you get a lot of product in there. You don't need that much. Usually what I do is I apply just a couple of drops on both sides of my face. If you want to apply more, feel free to, but really 2 drops on both sides of your face is all what most people need. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start massaging it upwards. You don't really need that much. You can see already it's absorbed into my skin. My skin does not look greasy. It doesn't look shiny. It just looks really, really healthy, and it actually feels that way too. If you're trying to find out how to put this in your skincare routine, this should go at the very end. So I'm so excited for you guys to try this, and I hope you feel so beautiful, so powerful, so confident, and you have the skin that you've always dreamed of having. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys soon.